Yeah, it's all collapsed. Thankfully, the local yobbers have vandalised everything. Good on them.
Ed seemed like he might be getting a bit unsteady on his feet.
Do you want a little kick, Ed? You can have a little snooze if you want.
But then there was a genuine moment of panic.
I'm really hoping I've got this right. Where is this alley? There. Is that it? Please, please, please.
Rich guy, go to the back.
Yeah. Oh, that's so good.
But then, as we entered this second car park,
Well, let's not speak too soon.
Guy, get to the back.
I don't see the alley.
Truck.
Where's the alley?
we were hoping just over this fence, and it was.
That's so weird. Oh. We're not criminals, don't worry.
This final Top Cat-esque Bromley back alley would deliver us to within grabbing distance of Bromley town centre. My original plan was actually a daring mission through the town itself, including an attempted sneak through this hotel. But an urban exploration blog confirmed that the lengthy tunnel that ran under the town was passable and grid-free. But was there a way down to it behind all this manky fly tipping?
Yeah, look. It's down there.
Yeah, in the back.
That is unbelievable. Right. Last ominous black hole with a swarm of gnats guarding it. Looks a lot lower, doesn't it?
And it felt it too.
Yeah, this is a low one. Lower now. Oh my god. That is so low. I hope that improves.
Of course, these statements would become laughable compared to what was to come later, but at the time, this felt like a pretty grim tunnel.
Doesn't smell great here. Smells of nappies. And there's the end. Oh, hello. He's up at the end. Oh, there we go, Ed. Right, you know, we're out of the sort of grim stuff, but I am slightly worried about this chain of back gardens, because there are bridges that go over it. Yeah, they've got sheds at the back. So it is possible for a dog to just come down.
I was pretty sure the owners of these gardens didn't own the actual riverbed itself, but it still felt noisy sneaking through them.
I'm surprised someone hasn't been there. Waders are going straight in the bin, I think. I don't know. Oh yeah, they have, yeah. Can't knock the waders.
We really were getting towards the outer fringes of the urban entity that is London, Bromley Tennis Club being the last obstacle that needed skirting around before we hit the countryside and the 6 miles of forest trails that ran through it. A few grand gardens later, evidence of that club started to appear.
We're getting closer. Loads of balls down there, isn't it? That's quite fresh.
That's what she said.
I think it's worth a look to see how walkable it is from here. I think it'll be too bad. Yeah. I think we can get down here.
A bit